I'm going to leave the school soon. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Oh, what a pity. I really don't want to leave.
We will try our best to help her. We are going to make the impossible possible.
Once upon a time, 3 weeks ago, there was a beautiful girl. It's me. She was told by the school that she will be expelled if she cannot pass the final examination.
Oh no!
How can a hard-working girl
be treated like this?
Maybe I'm a little bit
lazy sometimes.
But I always think about my homework. Oh, I'm hopeless. I can do nothing good. I really don't want to leave.
Nothing seems to be impossible if you are ready to face. No one can stop you, no one can force you. Do it yourself with all your faith.
Indeed, I have no confidence in myself. I can't read fluently. I can't sing well. My calculation is poor. Oh, what should I do?
Nothing seems to be impossible if you are ready to face. The roads are on your side, you can take a ride. Go, go, let's go, never say no. The roads are on your side, you can take a ride. Go, go, let's go, never say no.
What you should know is never say no. Go on your way. Don't cut your toes.
Really? If I try, I can succeed?
Sure, what can be imagined can be achieved.
What can be imagined can be achieved?
Sure, your future is in your hand. Your destiny is in your hand.
Yes, your fingers are also in your hand.
But the examination is not in my hand.
We will try our best to help you.
Yes, we will buy our bread to feed you.
Nonsense.
Mathematics is very difficult. I really don't know how to do the sums.
Oh. Don't be afraid. We can aid. Go on your way. No need to pay. Oh.
Math is really simple. It's easier than eating an apple.
I don't think so.
Let me show you what math is. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. It's like an elephant, bigger than a pig. Ay-ya-ee-ya-yo, ay-ya-ee-ya-yo. Ay-ya-ee-ya-yo, ay-ya-ee-ya-yo. Polygon, circle and rectangle. Show us the area and the angle. Ay-ya-ee-ya-yo, ay-ya-ee-ya-yo. Ay-ya-ee-ya-yo, ay-ya-ee-ya-yo.
I really don't know why I'm so foolish. West and east I cannot distinguish.
West and east I cannot distinguish. Just be fair. You can get what you want.
Be patient, or you'll be a patient.
If you work hard, you can succeed.
Really?
Absolutely.
Sure. Undoubtedly.
Really.
Yes, I I will try. But
What else?
do you know which subjects I'm most afraid of?
Singing, swimming, playing mahjong,
Is shooting.
Shooting with a bow and arrow.
Whenever I hold the bow, my hands shake. After I've got an arrow, my legs shake even harder. You're too tense. I can't help it. You can do it well. I'm really fed up. I'm afraid I will get one or even no marks in the coming examination.
Be brave. You are capable of doing it.
Yes, you're capable. Let me help you. Really?
absolutely,
Sure, undoubtedly.
Really? Follow me. First, take a deep breath. Then relax. Imagine that you're holding a bow. Take an arrow with your right hand. Put it beside the bow. Hold it tight. And release. Perfect. I can't. I'm so nervous. I can think of nothing. I'm useless. I can do nothing good. Okay, just relax and I will help you. Here's your target. Me? No!
Wait.
No!
Wait.
No! Wait. Relax. Relax. Are you relaxed?
Yes.
But not me. Let me try again. Relax. Relax. Are you relaxed? No. Relax. Relax. Yes, I'm relaxed. Good. Hold the bow in the left hand. Then take the arrow with your right hand. Hold it tight. And release. Really?
absolutely,
Sure, undoubtedly.
really.
Congratulations!
Oh, King, can you do me a favor?
What?
Can I try it again?
Oh no!
Freeze!
Oh, I'm so scared.
Freeze!
Okay, come on.
Okay, you are so brave!
Oh, don't tease me.
Bum 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 bum! Bum 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 bum! Hey! Ooh! Ah!
You.
Ah!
can be achieved.
Oh no! The three ugly creatures! Attention please! Attention please! There is a little shortage in the exam. What we call it the bungee jump. Oh! Bungee jump! Bungee jump! Jump!
Bungee jump?
Can you